Hello everybody, yeah, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the brake light box in here on a 14 Honda Odyssey. Let's get it started, guys. You see they have two screws in here. It's number 8mm. Okay, just unscrew it. It's a quick job, you can do at home, you know. Number 8, and pull it. Let me show you. Just pull to the side. Let it stop. Is it? Just pull it. You get it out. So the brake light one is one. See the drop in here? Turn to black already, so it's time to change it. Okay, let me go get a new one and put it in. We can start it. Boom. Make sure you clean a little bit. Okay. Let's put it back in. Joe, can you step on the brake on the car a little bit? Let's put it back in, okay? This is how to twist it and put it back in. Step on the brake for me, please. Just as you pull it back, okay, it's gonna come out. Okay, work. Okay, just install it. Put it back in. And screw the number 8. 2 screws. It's all set now. This is how to replace the pop light. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching my video. Thank you. Any questions, let me know.